Did you know that nearly 30% of YouTube uploads fail due to internet connection? Well, let's fix that now. In this video, you'll be learning practical examples on how to troubleshoot your videos and upload quickly. That moment when you've taken your time to create a very good video with good quality. Sometimes you might be trying to upload your videos and they just end up being stuck up, just like you can see here. It can be really frustrating. Trust me, baby, I've been there before. But sticking with me in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chomi Light and I'm the face behind this channel. My aim is to show and help new YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers on how to grow on YouTube. Well, let's just dive right into why we're here. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to put the screen record here while I take you guys through step by step. So first things first, you are going to go to your YouTube, of course. We all know that. Then you go to settings, you see your data in YouTube, you click on that. Then you click on your videos under your YouTube dashboard. Then it takes you to YouTube Studio directly. Let's wait for this to upload. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, my video is being stuck at uploading 14%. Like, it's not been moving at all. It has been like that for like more than 4 hours. Do you understand? So what you're going to do is, you see the icon up there, you click on create. Just look up, you click on create, click on upload videos. After clicking on create at the icon up there, you click on upload video. Then it takes you to where you can select your files. So after clicking on select files, you can see photo library, take photo, video, choose files. Then it goes to your recently downloaded files where you save them, and you click on that particular same video you're trying to upload, and it keeps uploading from there. So as you can see, from 14% it has increased to 15%. Look down, and it's even showing me 2 hours 39 minutes left. Like, how is a video supposed to be uploading for 2 hours 39 minutes left? That don't even make any sense. But if you keep looking down there, you can see that the video is already moving. It's no longer stuck at 14%. Now it's at 16, and it keeps moving right down there. It's now at 17. Don't forget that initially you just stayed at 14%. It wasn't moving at all. But ever since we did that, it's just been moving and moving and moving. And then now it's now currently at 66% uploaded. And now 100% uploaded. It's that fast. This was something that was taking 4 hours to upload, and that's it. So what you're going to do is that it's actually a continuous process, because there's sometimes that this happens to me. I'm going to be very truthful to you. There's sometimes that this happens to me. Let me just be truthful to you, and I have to keep repeating the process. But one thing I noticed that whenever I repeat the process, it speeds it up. If I repeat the process, it speeds it up. There's sometimes that I just have to just do it once, and that once it uploads to 100% as fast as possible. But there's sometimes that I have to keep going to create, select files, and repeat. Like, I do it like 2 to 3 times before it uploads to 100%. But for sure, for certain, this really works. So if you know that you are experiencing your videos being stuck at a particular percentage, just try this, and in my next video tell me if it worked for you. And I know it's definitely going to work for you, because this is authentic information. Now, another thing I want to say is that if you try this and it doesn't work for you, then that means you have to check your internet. Check your internet speed. Number one, you might have to switch off your phone and switch it back on. Check your internet speed and make sure that it's on 4G. Another thing again you have to check again, if it still doesn't work for you, is the file size, the file format you used. You have to check that too and make sure that it's appropriate. And if all these are in check, you have your videos uploaded to 100%, and you get out of your videos being stuck. Alright, you guys, that being said, the keys to fixing your problems, your upload problems on YouTube, is by, number one, understanding your internet speed, your internet connection. Number two is by optimizing your video files on YouTube. If your files are too large, it's going to reduce the speed in which it uploads. So if you know that your files are large, then you have to just be patient and wait for YouTube to upload it. But if they are not large, just follow the tips that I said in this YouTube video. Alright, you guys, if the tips were helpful to you, do not forget to check out my other videos that I've also uploaded on my channel, and do give me a like, subscribe, and also comment my video. Alright, you guys, see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Don't forget to stay positive, stay blessed, and never stressed. Do not forget, they say I test run and I bring to y'all. Bye y'all.